You don't have a focus problem. You have a design problem. And once you understand the difference, work will never feel the same again. People who seem immune to distraction, who sit down and disappear into their work for hours, are not wired differently. They built a different system, and that system is built on three things. The first thing is outcome. Right now, if someone asked you what you are working toward today, what would you say? Most people give a vague answer. Working on my business, getting things done, trying to be productive. That vagueness is killing your focus before you even start. Your brain does not get engaged by fog. It gets engaged by targets. Stop working on things. Start working towards something specific. Not I will work out, but I will finish one set of 15 push-ups. The moment your work has a clear, tangible outcome attached to it, your brain shifts. It stops drifting. It starts hunting. Purpose does not just motivate you. It pulls you forward. The second thing is stakes. Here is something psychologists have known for decades. Humans are far more driven by what they stand to lose than by what they might gain. Comfort does not create urgency. Risk does. So you have to manufacture the stakes if they are not obvious. Close your eyes and picture yourself 6 months from now. You have changed nothing. You are doing the same things in the same patterns, getting the same results. What does that life look like? What does it cost you? Sit with that discomfort. Let it build, because that feeling, that pressure, is not anxiety. That is fuel. The moment your current inaction feels more painful than the effort required to move, you will move every single time. The third thing is the environment your focus lives in. Focus is not a switch you flip. It is a response your brain produces when the conditions are right. And right now, your conditions are designed against you. Before you start deep work, spend 15 to 20 minutes doing nothing. No phone, no music, no input of any kind. Just sit. It will feel uncomfortable. It should. Because what you are doing is lowering your brain's tolerance for stimulation. You are resetting your dopamine baseline so that when you return to your work, it feels engaging rather than dull. Most people go straight from high stimulation into deep work and wonder why they cannot concentrate. You cannot go from a highway to a quiet room without first letting your nervous system adjust. Then clear your environment completely. Not mostly, completely. Focus and distraction cannot share the same space. They are not competing. Distraction wins by default every single time unless you remove it entirely. Your phone in another room is not a small thing. It is the difference between 2 hours of real work and 2 hours of interrupted noise. And finally, connect your effort to your life. While you work, remind yourself what this is for. Not in a vague way, in a vivid, specific way. The freedom you are building, the person you are becoming, the version of your life that exists on the other side of consistent, focused action. When your brain can feel the reward of the work while doing the work itself becomes the reward. That is when focus stops being a fight. That is when work becomes something you are pulled toward instead of pushed into. You are not lacking discipline, you are lacking design. Fix the system, protect the environment, manufacture the stakes, make the mission real, and watch how quickly the distraction disappears.